Hello everyone. Today we're diving into Scalenut, a two-in-one solution for content generation and SEO optimization. Simply click the link in the description below to access the platform. Scalenut offers AI-based content writing features, allowing you to generate high-quality content efficiently. Additionally, it provides a suite of SEO tools to help you optimize your content for better search engine rankings. Now let's explore its pricing plans in detail. Scalenut offers monthly and annual subscription options. The first plan is the Essential Monthly Plan, perfect for individual creators and consultants, priced at $39 per month. This plan includes 100,000 AI words, 5 SEO articles, 40 AI templates, and much more. Next, we have the Growth Plan, ideal for startups and businesses, priced at $79 per month. With this plan, you get unlimited AI words, 30 SEO articles, 30 audit pages, and additional features tailored for business needs. Finally, the Pro Plan, recommended for pro users such as large teams and agencies, is priced at $149 per month. This plan includes 75 SEO articles, analysis of 500 pages, 75 audit pages, 1 additional user, and many more advanced features. Opting for the annual plan provides up to a 55% discount on all 3 plans, making it a cost-effective choice for content creators. Plus, annual subscribers gain access to additional features, enhancing the value proposition even further. So, whether you're an individual creator, a startup, or a large agency, Scalenut has a pricing plan tailored to your needs. In my opinion, for beginners, the Essential Plan would likely be the best option. Priced at $39 per month, it offers a good balance of features at an affordable rate. With 100,000 AI words, 5 SEO articles, and other additional features, beginners can access essential tools for content creation and SEO optimization without breaking the bank. Additionally, the Essential Plan provides a solid foundation for individuals who are just starting out and may not require the extensive features offered in the higher-tier plans. Try out the free trial by clicking the link in the description below to further explore Scalenut. Thank you for watching.